Welcome back, beautiful, amazing hikers. We're here at the area that I wanted to camp at last night, just a little bit past Thomas Knob, which is just a wonderful looking area. And they got a bear box. That's what the blue blazes lead you to. Strange enough. But nope, the weather is going to be shitty. Stormed pretty hard last night. It's nice and dry upstairs at Thomas Knob. Anyways, we'll keep it rolling here. I'm pretty sure the marker is just right around the corner here. If I already messed it, I ain't going back for it. Well, we got some cows. I am so tired. The next shelter is like, I think like 3 or 4 miles away. I think I'm just gonna crash there. Oh, that's a lot of horse shit. We got a better video coming up here soon. Well, it's my 3rd time going through Fat Man Squeeze. Rather than enjoying it for myself, I'm holding a camera. I don't know if filming out here is making me more depressed or I don't know what. Anyways, it's time for a break. I am just absolutely tired. And I'm tired because I'm sick. See this. Right. You know, they say don't quit on really tired, worn out. Attitude is in a real bad spot right now. And wasn't hoping I'd feel like that when I got to the Greyson Highlands. I was hoping I'd be happy when I got here. I'm just worn out. Well, maybe my attitude gets better. Well, we're in the Greyson Highlands, and there's ponies around, but I haven't seen any yet, other than at a very long distance. Only 2.6 miles to the Wise shelter, and I think it would be wise if I just go there, plop a squat, and stay. I'll take it real easy today. It's either that or get off trail. If I'm not feeling good tomorrow, then, well, we'll get off trail and go in somewhere and stay a few days. I think I got a good idea how I got sick. And it happened back at Boots Off. I've been fighting this thing for about a week now, off and on. Every time I get to the point where I'm beating it, I go back out and I come back sick again. Oh my God. All right. Well, it's a boring part of the trip.